What's up? What's up? It's your man Jimmy Chan. All right, so I need to graph this piecewise function. All right, so one of the things I always like to do is I always like to go ahead and make these different colors. Usually it helps me out a little bit as I do this. Actually, you know what? Let's make this purple and let's make this blue. There we go. So let's go ahead and create a table here. So what I'm going to have is x values here, right? And then I'm going to have my f of x here, right? So first, when I look at the red here, I have -8 and 5 as my key values. So I'm going to go ahead and write that down, -8 and 5. Actually, I'm going to bring this down a little bit because the reason why I bring that down is because I want to write down my f of x here, or I should say my y value is going to be x plus 2. So if I do that, if I plug in -8 in for 2, in for x, -8 plus 2 is going to give me a -6. And if I plug 5 in there, 5 plus 2 is going to give me 7. Okay, and more importantly, at 8, it's included. The -8 is included, so I actually have a closed circle here. And here at 5, I'm going to have an open circle. Okay, so that part's important as well. All right, so that part is done. Now at at x equals 5, right? I'm looking at the purple. Actually, I forgot to bring it down again. All right, so here I have y is equal to -4. So at 5, I'm going to have -4 because the y value is always equal to -4. And it's equal to, so therefore I have a closed circle. Okay, doke. So that part is done. Now I have that y value is equal to -x plus 6. All right. And 5 is a key point, but I need to know where I'm going, right? So let's use 6, just for some kind of numbering, right? Just so I can connect my line, because I know that it's going to be my line. Let me do this as well because I like to be somewhat organized. Somewhat. All right, so if I was to plug 5 in for x, I got -5 plus 6, so that's going to give me a 1. And if I plug a 6 in here for x, it would be -6 plus 6, so I get 0. All right, so there I go. I guess I can just keep that there and then duplicate that and bring it down. So I'm done now. So now let me go ahead and add a graph. All right. So it's got to go -8 to, there we go. All right, so here's my graph. So, and then I still got to talk about the points here. So at 5, it's going to be an open circle, right? Because this doesn't have an equals to, so it's going to be an open circle. And then it's just going to continue on after 6, 0, okay? So I got -8, -6 with a closed circle. So -8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Closed circle, okay? Open circle at 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's easier for me to select it and move it. Close enough. All right. So, and then I have, so this is going to be a line from here to here. And there we go. Now at 5, I got -4, and that's going to be a solid circle. So 5, -4. Here's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got this. And this is going to be a closed circle. And then at 5, 1, I want to have an open circle. 5, 1. That doesn't look very centered, right? There we go. And then it's going to be 6, 0. So I got to go through, oops. So there we go. So there is my equation right there. That is my piecewise function. All right. Well, I hope this helps. If there's any questions, please let me know. See ya. Bye.